How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the DISM restore health scan stuck at 62.3%. So when you're on your PowerShell and doing the process itself, you just want to close it out and then do this step right here. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the command prompt, and then you want to click on the run as administrator. Now it's really important to run this program as administrator to make sure that everything works perfect. From there, you want to start the following commands. For the first one, it's going to be net start bits. For the second ones, you want to type net start DOSVC. And then another one, net start USOVSVC. And then for another, net start trusted installer. Wait for it to finish. And then for the last one, net start WUA user V. Hit on enter. And then once again, just wait for the process to finish. And then you want to type exit. From there, let's head over to our PowerShell. Once again, run the program as administrator. And then you want to type the following command: DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So if I hit on enter, it should go ahead and basically finish up right here perfectly. And so I'm not going to wait for this to finish because just to make the video short, but generally from there, you will be able to fix this problem. After waiting for a couple of seconds, we can see that the operation completed successfully. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.